Welcome po sa ating tutorial program, and this is intended para sa mga ABM students ng senior high who are planning to get an accountancy program in the near future after they graduate their high school level. Pwede din ito sa mga hindi po naka-enroll ng ABM pero they are planning to get into the accountancy program para mabigyan sila ng kaukulang foundation or learning about the accounting para naman pagdating doon sa accountancy program ay hindi po sila mahirapan, pwede po silang sumali dito. Kasi this particular program, as described in here, this is bridging towards the accountancy level. Kung ano man yung gap because of the easiness of having the lessons in the senior high level, na nagkaroon ng gap doon pagdating sa difficulty, pagdating sa accountancy. Baka kasi magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag natin na yung cultural shock pagdating doon na ganito pala kahirap yung accountancy. So kung gusto mo na hindi ka mahirapan, hindi ka magkaroon ng shock pagdating doon, I advise you to enroll in this program para ikaw ay makapaghanda both mentally and emotionally, psychologically, so lahat na yun. In this program, you can have your lessons not only on a understanding of the accounting concepts, kasali na din yun yung skills kung paano ka mag-answer po ng mga questions like mga exercises, mga quiz, mga test. The difficulty is adjusted again sa accountancy level. This program is composed of 4 chapters. Mauna tayo dito sa accounting equation. Pagkatapos magkaroon tayo ng analyzing, journalizing, and posting. Then kasali na dyan yung trial balance preparation. Umpisa tayo doon sa worksheet. In chapter 3, magkaroon tayo ng adjusting journal entries. Ito yung tinaguriang isa sa pinakamahirap dito na stage sa pag-aaral ng accounting. Ito naman yung completing the accounting cycle hanggang sa matapos tayo. The last stage of this one is in preparation of the post-closing trial balance. Yung sinasabi ko, hindi mo pa ma-appreciate, pero later on ma-appreciate mo yan habang nakaumpisa tayo. This chapter 1, sa program namin ay we spent more time in here kasi ito yung nagsiset ng foundation sa every accounting student para magiging solid yung understanding nila pagdating doon sa analyzing, journalizing, adjusting, and so on and so forth. Lalo na dito pala sa adjusting journal entries kasi ito yung mahirap kung tama yung foundation mo dito sa chapter 1. Hindi na mahirap sa iyo ang pag-journalize, pag-prepare ng adjusting entry, at saka lahat and the rest of the accounting cycle procedures. Kasi lahat naman ito ay procedurals yung approach dito. So, ang importante lang dito ay alam mo yung pinaka-basic na equation at saka yung journalizing at saka itong adjusting entry. And the rest would be easy for you to make. So, yung chapter 1. So, sa chapter 1 natin, accounting equation. So, dito tayo magsimula and again, welcome to this program. Watch to the other video for the discussion of the chapter 1 accounting equation.